Let's see the campaign type. First one is BOGO. This offer means that if you add two items in your cart, the first item is higher price and second one is lower price. If you apply this offer, the lower price will be free. You can add products from here. Let's select items. You can add these items like if you add aloo gobi matar and aloo paratha. The aloo gobi matar price is 150 and aloo paratha is 80. If we add both the items in cart, the aloo paratha will be free and the aloo gobi matar price 150 rupees will be charged. Second one is buy and get one. This means you can create an offer like buy two get one free, buy three get two free, or buy one get one free. So let's see how to create this offer. First one is you have to select enter buy quantity like two, select items customer want to buy like we can select cheese naan and second one is aloo paratha and we can just scroll down. Then we have to add number of items so will be sold free. Like we have to enter one and we have to select free item. Like we can add aloo paratha. If we buy aloo paratha and cheese naan both, then aloo paratha will be free. Third one is product discount. Means if you want to give discount over like main course or in Chinese section 50% off or 40% or 10 rupees off, you can create product discount from here. Let's take an example. If you want to add minimum order amount like after 100 rupees of bill amount, you can give 10% discount on main course. So you have to just enter the minimum order amount is 100, correct? And second one is you have to select the item. Like if you want to give 10% discount on aloo paratha, just add aloo paratha from select section, select percentage, add the percentage discount amount like 10% and apply. The offer will be applied. Fourth one is general discount. Let's take an example for that. If you want to give 15% off on order above 500 up to 100 rupees. So a general discount is for that. Let's take an example. If you want to give 10% discount, just add 10% on discounted value. You can add minimum order amount like 120 rupees and maximum discount amount is 50 rupees. So this offer is 10% off on order above 120 up to 50 rupees. Fifth offer is buy and get offer on another. This offer means if you buy two sandwiches and get one cold coffee free, or get cold coffee at 25 rupees off, or you can add according to your own. Correct. These are the options. Like if you want to add entered quantity like two quantity you have to buy, and how much quantity you want to sold free, or how much quantity you want to give 14% off or 10% off. Sixth one is club pricing. Club pricing means if one sandwich costs rupees 159, so this offer is for if we buy two sandwiches, it will cost 129 rupees each, or if we buy three sandwiches, it will cost 19 rupees each. So let's take an example for this. Just select product name, like we can select veg fried rice. If we buy two quantity, it price this price will be 110 each. If you want to add multiple items or multiple pricing, you can add just clicking on add pricing. So it the offer will be created. Just see if we edit the offer, you can see the alternate option as well. If you enter three quantity, the unit price per item will be prices 100 rupees. So if you buy three veg fried rice, so the item pricing will be 100 rupees each. After entering these details, just click on save. The offer will be created. If you want to active this offer, just click on active button. The offer will be activated.